Hello and happy Mother's Day, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade caramel cake. And this recipe is so simple and easy to make, and it'll be the best caramel cake you ever had. And we're going to put a homemade caramel cream cheese frosting on it. It's sure to make your mouth water. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on So grab your cake pans and your mixing sugar, because we're about to bake some caramel cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 2 cups of white sugar. And we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 4 eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time. Alright, last egg. And blend all together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of caramel extract, and blend everything all together. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 3 cups of sifted self-rising flour, alternatingly with 1 cup of caramel milk, beginning and ending with flour. Alright, and last of the flour. Blend all together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, this is what our batter look like, nice and whipped. And I can smell the caramel milk and the caramel extract. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to pour our batter into 3 greased 9-inch cake pans. Alright, my friends, I got the cake batter into my pans, so now it's time to bake them. We're going to bake them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 20 to 35 minutes until the cake is nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cakes out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that looks, and it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, so now we're going to let our cakes cool completely, and while our cakes are cooling, we can go ahead and make that luscious caramel cream cheese frosting. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese and 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter, both at room temperature, and we're going to cream all of this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 cup of caramel sauce. Ooh-wee. Awesome. 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of caramel extract. And blend all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 2 pounds of powdered sugar that's sifted. And blend all together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, the caramel cream cheese frosting is done. Now we're ready to frost the cake. Alright, my friends, there you have it, Southern caramel cake. Now look how pretty that looks. Alright, so now I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. Ooh, look at that. You can tell it's so moist. Ooh, Lord have mercy. That is the bomb.com. So decadent. Bursting with caramel goodness. If y'all a fan of caramel cake, y'all would love this recipe. Everybody would go crazy over this. Great for Mother's Day or any time. And wait until you taste that caramel cream cheese frosting. It is incredible. This deserves another bite. I'm in heaven. Caramel-licious. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. And to all the mothers out there, I want to wish all of you a very happy, safe Mother's Day. Much love.